Hi there, this is lifestyle coach Ashley Hubbard, and in today's video presentation I will teach you how to have good conversations with a girl. At some point in this video I will tell you about further resources you can get access to help you succeed. Let's get straight into it. And just very quickly before we get going, a very warm welcome to this How to Have Good Conversations with a Girl presentation video. My name is Ashley Hubbard, that is me there in the centre of the screen. I am a life coach. If this is your first time on this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. This channel is about helping men improve their dating success with women. In this video, I will teach you how to have good conversations with a girl. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I am uploading new videos very often and you do not want to miss out. Please do hit the like button, that motivates me to make more for you. Thank you very much. Let's get going. In this video, I am going to tell you a few of the best topics of conversation to talk about with a girl. The first thing you can talk about with a girl is culture. You really can't go far wrong talking about music, movies, arts, books and cooking. The conversation is going to go one of two ways. Either she's seen it, heard it, read it, or she hasn't. For example, let's say you enjoy watching films. You can ask her what the last film she saw was. When she gives you an answer, you can then ask her a question about the film to make her think a little. The key is to find a topic of conversation that she has an interest in and then to talk more openly about that. If she has, you have something in common to talk about. If she hasn't, you can then introduce her to something new. So it's a win-win for both of you. The next conversation topic I recommend you talk with a girl about is the girl's hobbies. Hobbies are often a big part of who the girl is as a person, so this is a good topic of conversation for you. When you find out what the girl likes to do for a hobby, you could then ask her a few questions about the hobby, such as, why do you enjoy this activity? Or how did you find this hobby? When you begin to ask the girl about their hobbies, this shows you have a higher level of interest in the girl, which makes the conversation more interesting. Hobbies are activities that consume a fair amount of time, so this is an area that you can talk quite a lot about. Because hobbies are activities that people do for fun, the conversation will usually be more upbeat, passionate and positive, because you are talking to the girl about their passions and what she enjoys doing in her spare time. You might even have hobbies in common that you could do together, and if not, you can give something new a try. My next tip is to begin talking about things that you have done and good experiences you have had with the girl to make good conversation. I recommend you try and steer the conversation towards holiday vacations and life-changing experiences that you have had so far in life and that she has had, because this is a great way to get to know her better and find out more about her interests, and it helps her to get to know you too. My advice is to ask the girl about past jobs that she has done and any holiday vacations that she has been on in her life. You could ask her questions about the types of jobs that she has done and ask her whether she does it just for the money or if she has other reasons for the job that she does. By asking her about her job, you may get more insight about her personality and how she likes to live her life. You could ask her a few easy questions such as, which country do you love to go to travel? Why do you like that country so much? And if you could live in a different country, where would you live and why? These types of questions will give you more data to work with and make the conversation much more interesting, fun and dynamic. When you begin talking to the girl about interesting things you've done with your life so far and you ask her about her life experiences, this helps both of you to determine if you are compatible and on the same page. The experiences you have had in your life shape you as a person and will make a conversation much more interesting with the girl. Is the advice I have given you here making sense to you? Let me know in the comments below the video. My next tip on how to have good conversations with a girl is to talk about goals and aspirations. Having goals and aspirations that you want to achieve in your life is a good and positive thing to have and a very interesting topic of conversation. The dreams that you have are just as much as a part of you as your experiences. So I recommend you try and ask the girl questions relating to her goals and future plans. A simple question that you can ask the girl is this: if you could do anything with no chance of failing, what would it be and why? If you ask the girl this question in a friendly, playful way, you are likely to get a positive response which you can work with. One conversation topic about a dream or a future plan that the girl has can lead to an entirely new topic of conversation. I want you to remember that just because you haven't done something yet in your life, this doesn't mean you're not shaped by the thought of the future. My advice is to ask her about her future plans, but don't make it sound like a boring job interview. You don't want to be bombarding her with a ton of ugly, boring questions about her future plans. This will not work well. Instead, here is what I recommend you do. You're trying to get to know her as a person, not qualifications for an open position. So my advice is to strike the phrase, "Where do you see yourself in 5 years?" from your vocabulary. Ask her this question and see what she says. If you try and find out a little about her future plans, then this will give you a better reading of her compatibility with you. Now, the next thing to do, make sure you click the link below the video and it will take you through to the website for the 10-hook lead system program. This program, which I recommend you take a look at, will teach you how to master your conversation skills with women and anyone you meet. On the website, you can get instant access to the program online, so you'll be able to learn from home in your own time. So make sure you click the link below the video and you go through to the website and take a look at the program. Because as I say, this program will help you to improve your conversation skills with anyone and everyone you meet. I recommend you check it out when you are ready. All you need to do is click the link below the video to find out more about the program. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. You can subscribe right now by clicking the big red button below the video. Please do hit the like button and give the video a thumbs up. That shows me you enjoy the content. Can you please share this video with anyone you know who may find it helpful? Is there a specific video that you want me to create for you? Please let me know in the comments section below the video. Please join our Facebook community. You can find the Facebook link in the description below the video. Thank you very much for watching and supporting the channel, and I wish you all the best for your dating success. Have a wonderful day.